Once you have downloaded Valentina and opened it for the first time, you'll be presented with this blank screen, everything which is neatly laid out. I will give you explanation of each section once as we go along. The Valentina, you click on new and you come up with this pop-up. You name your pattern piece and the units you're working with. You press OK. Once you have done that, the base point is created. You've got a working field that becomes active, and the tools that you are going to use also becomes active. And please note that this is a base point. You cannot change your unit once the base point is created. When you click on a tool, this is your starting point, and whenever you click on a tool, you'll note at the bottom end of the screen the program provides you with hints and guides and the name of the tool that you are using, etc. Follow the prompts to assist you in your drawing. This point can be moved to any area in the field, and when you start drawing and if you move this point, the drawing automatically will move with that point. You can change the label name to whatever suits you. You click onto the label name, and when you click onto Windows and you click onto tool options will appear on the right. It will show you every move that you make, including the label names, which you can change. I'm going to change this label name to center back. I'll type center back. Center, and you cannot use full stop, hyphen, or anything besides underscore to give a space between your names. So it's center back, and then if I press enter, it will change the name. You can also change the name by clicking onto that point, and it shows options, and you got the options there, and you can change your name onto that point label. Shift and minus will decrease the size of your label. Shift and plus will increase the size of your label. If you click here on pattern piece, you'll see there all the information with the shortcut is all under that. Alt and L, you can hide and bring back your labels using Alt and L. There are various shortcuts that you could also use. If you click on the menu, you will see all the options with their shortcuts. If you prefer, you could learn the shortcuts and use them, or just use the menu bar to assess whatever you are doing. And you'll also note that the menu bar is self-explanatory. When you click on File, you'll see Preferences here. You click on it, and these are all defaults that are set by the program itself. As you get used to the program, you can go to it. As you work with it, you can change the defaults according to how it suits you. Before you start drafting your pattern, you need to know that there's 3 different categories that you have to follow to get your final pattern made. The first step where you are going to draw, where you perform all the steps here to draft your pattern. The next step is that you have to extract the pattern pieces from that, and then you come up with the pattern pieces here, which is the detailed part of the pattern. And then you can add your seam allowances, you can label your garments, all and this under details. And the next part, you can also go to layout if you want to have your pattern printed, and you set it up according to your printer. You follow the prompts on there. It won't be that difficult to follow it. Watch this video on my channel, Master Pattern Drafting Step-by-Step Guide made in Valentina. By watching this video, you will learn the function of some tools, how to use the tools, and how to get started in drafting. All these tools on the left that you will be using to draft your pattern, they were specifically created so that When you use them along with the measurements that you enter into the tape, they will automatically resize the design as you change the measurements on the tape. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps those who are looking forward to using this software to draft a pattern. Please follow my channel if you want to learn more about this software. I will post more, depends on the outcome of this video. We all learn new things as we go along.